So the first color I'm going to take out of the blood sugar palette is O Positive, the kind of grayish purple color. And I'm actually going to put this all over the lid and the brow bone. This is going to be like our base color. Of that, I'm going to take a little bit of glucose just to lighten it up along the brow bone area. And I'm just using the same brush, just to give us a little bit of a gradient and not be so dark on some of the areas. But we have that blended down. I'm going to use a pencil brush and go into color Coma. It's this really dark purple. I think this is actually a pigment, but I don't really care if it stains my skin. I'm taking an e.l.f. crease brush. I am just going to blend this out a little bit just so there's no harsh edges. So just using little circular motions to buff it in. Pigments do have a tendency to build up in certain places, so start in the spot that it's darkest and then work it out so that you don't end up with a really dark spot and a really light spot. Now I'm going to go into the Alien palette and take the color Space Cowboy. It's this really metallic dark brown, and we're going to put this on the inner half of the lid. I'm going to take my Volume Tools blending brush and just blend out where I put Space Cowboy.
I am getting over a sickness the YouTube community will understand.
Take some medicine. Now I'm going to take the color Phone Home, which is kind of this pinky peach color, and we're going to put this on the outer half of the lid. Now I'm going to go into Dark Navy in the Lorac Mega Pro 3 palette and put this underneath my lower lash line. I'm just going to pack it on underneath so it's really I'm going to take my NYX matte liquid liner and just throw on some liner and some lashes, and I'll be right back. While the lash glue while the I'm so stressed. Okay. While the lash glue dries down, I'm going to go into ice cold. Stop! What? I'm not doing highlight. I'm going to go in with Jeffree Star Ice Cold and a Morphe 501 highlighting brush. And we're just going to put this right on the cheekbone so it is blinding. Because even though we are the angel of death, clear your throat one more time. So even though we are the angel of death, we still want to look ethereal because you still want to look like an angel. So I am going to use a lot of highlight. For contour, I'm going back into the Alien palette and I'm going to use the color Tall Gray, which is this one down here, some matte gray, and I'm going to contour as much of myself as possible. So forehead, cheeks, jaw, all of that, so that it is very thin looking and very spooky. So that's what we're going to start with a Real Techniques contouring brush. For lips, I'm going to be doing a little bit of a black and red combo. I am going to use Black Orchid from Wet n Wild, which is this like deep kind of red, and then this one is Alien from NYX. Don't call me, hey yeah.
Please do that. Please do that. Tell me when you're filming.
I am. Okay. Thank you so much for watching my channel. If you want to see more 31 days of Halloween looks, make sure you hit the subscribe down below and also hit that little bell for notifications. And check out my Halloween playlist where you can see all of my Halloween looks since I started my channel. I love you guys so much, and thank you for making this the best Halloween yet, and I'll see you in the next one.